Why is Himalayan sadhana must for Kundalini awakening journey? I will speak not much for this topic. I will show you. Look at the Himalayan peak behind me. If I don't name it, then you will not know which peak is this. And I don't want to name it because I just want to make sure that you experience the highest consciousness in the energies of this peak. I will clarify you that the Himalayan sadhana is important for everyone going through Kundalini awakening journey in all phases, wherever you are in your journey, in all the phases, this is important because of the energies, high energies of the Himalayan energy vortex. I am few kilometers away from this high vortex, and from here also I can feel the highest energy. And today itself, when the clouds were cleared, we could see this total range. This is, to name it, it is the Annapurna range. But let me tell you that all the ranges of the Himalayas are carrying the same energy from ages, and that is why the sages, hermits, and over centuries the spiritual connection with the Himalayas is celebrated. That is why most people come to the Himalayas not because of the secluded place but for the energies. The high energies facilitate Kundalini because Kundalini is a divine energy, universal energy with high electricity. The high voltage of Kundalini matches with the high voltage of the energies present in the Himalayan energy vortex. And when you come here, energy is ascended in you, Kundalini is ascended in you. Wherever you are in your journey, if you do the Himalayan sadhana, then you will be able to unblock Kundalini from your many chakras. But of course, for that you need the Guru. Just wandering in the Himalayas will not give you result because I know where your Kundalini is stuck, and I customize the sadhanas for you based on what is required for your energy to get free. So just have a feel of this place with me and you will feel that it is so much important for you to decide for yourself. You have to decide which kind of sadhana you want to do. Do you want to be stuck in the cities, polluted and populated cities, and just wait for the right time to come for you for Kundalini to be free? It will never happen because Kundalini needs lots of prana, lots of high energies. In this region, there is abundance of everything. It is not at a greater Himalayan region where the altitude is too much high, where there is only snow, no vegetation. Wherever there is vegetation, there is huge volume of prana, there is huge volume of negative ions. So this is the most ideal place where I am right now. It is a region in Nepal called Methlang in Pokhara province, and this is one of the places where you can anytime come during your Kundalini awakening journey to process your Kundalini further. And you can stay in any hotels, any Airbnb or any place and have a feel of this total place. Look at just the blue sky behind me and the lake there. The Fiva lake is behind me. If you can have a glimpse of that. The greenery around, the village ambience, which makes it very simpler for you to process your Kundalini. These Himalayan ranges are spread across this region and you can stay in this region anytime. And also the negative ion count is highest when the sun is shining. So you need to know that there are many factors you have to consider for your sadhana. It is not just one factor. All these factors, all this ambience, all this energy field contribute towards progress of your Kundalini. Kundalini demands a lot from you. Kundalini is a huge investment in itself. If you are going through Kundalini and you know that you are going through Kundalini awakening, then know that throughout your life you have to invest a lot in yourself for your health. The Himalayan sadhana is must to build up your health. Here the Air is so fresh. Right now, the AQI has also reduced. Today, the AQI is below 100, which is good air quality. It will come down more as the rain happens, the thunderstorm happens, then there will be abundance of negative ions in this region. But all of these factors are important for you to breathe well. I can take it so much easily, the breath is happening so much easily. If you do pranayam or any kind of breath practices in the cities, it doesn't give you any result because the prana doesn't enter your energy channels to the deepest layer. The oxygen doesn't go to your cell. The highest level of oxygenation doesn't happen in the cities because of lack of prana and negative ions in the environment. It is pollution, it is smog, and lot of other pollutants are mixed in the air. That is what is not required for your health. So the quality of air that you breathe is important. The water that you drink in this region is filled with prana. The water with which you take bath is also important because that is charged with prana. When you take a hot and cold shower bath in this region, you actually feel that difference in your body. Otherwise, most of you who are going through Kundalini Awakening, they have nervous system sensitivity, they have neurosis issues. You don't feel with your five senses. Your sensitivity has reduced so much that you don't even feel that you have taken a bath because the layer of apana around your energy field. But when you take a bath in this region, you actually feel that you are taking a bath. You feel that freshness because of the high volume of prana in the water. Again, the food that you eat in this region goes directly, the nutritional value of this food is extracted very well because of vasodilation happening in you when you take a walk, do any kind of activity, movement activity in this region. You will not feel when you are in this region to sit at one place or be enclosed in a room. You always feel to go out. I am also out now, even though the weather is not that great because of the rain and the clouds, still my energy did not let me in and just remain enclosed in a room. I am out in open space. Again, coming to the spaciousness, feel the spaciousness of this place. It is so abundance. There is not a single human being you will see normally. The population that you see in the cities actually is very much depleting for the energy because they take away all your attention. Right now my attention is with myself because there is no one who is watching me. I am free to live my life, and this is why I to tell you, do come to the Himalayas for your sadhana and you will feel that a difference has been created in your life. A shift has happened. That's all for now. Bye bye. Thank you.